here's the story on how I started teleporting. It all started off when I was little. Mama, can I have a toy tomorrow? No, you may not. Aw, but please. No. No, 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 no. But why? Because you're already exploded with them. Oh. And then I jumped really hard. And then my mom realized I had superpowers. Mama, now can I get that present? No, you're going to the scientist. What? Ever since I was born, I've been trapped in this place with nobody. Only my fake imaginary real mother. Or my pet bird, let's just say. His name is Cardilian. So that's how I started teleporting. Very cool, isn't it? Of course it's fascinating. Bye, guys.